Lawyers Collective says that the threat on the President of the Bar Association of Sri Lanka is a serious indication of the prevailing questionable law and order situation in the country. A communique bearing the signatures of the collective's conveners, attorneys at law Lal Vijayanayaka and J.C. Valyamuna, notes that Attorney at Law Upul Jayasuriya has been a strong leader of the bar who has spoken strongly against the breach of law, abuse of constitutional norms and erosion of democracy in Sri Lanka. The Lawyers Collective says they have witnessed a regular pattern of surveillance on civil society organizations, human rights defenders and individuals critical of the government. The communique reads further that there is also a series of unsolved crimes committed against those individuals where the government has not shown any interest to investigate and prosecute the offenders. While strongly condemning the intimidation of the Bar Association and its president, the Lawyers Collective urges the government to conduct an impartial investigation and ensure the protection of the president of the BASL. Meanwhile, President of the Bar Association, Upul Jayasuriya, expressed these views on the complaint he lodged with the Cinnamon Gardens police.
I'm informed by the police that they have examined from the registry of motor vehicles, the Department of Motor Vehicles, and that they have found that these particular two numbers that I furnished to the police, one the motorcycle and the three-wheeler, they are the registration numbers of both those vehicles are not available at the registry of motor vehicles. Now, it's a very strange situation. If these numbers are issued on a serial basis, if the number before is available, if the number after that is available, ahead of that is available, then obviously the number in between should also be available. So I'm sure the police are always very efficient, unless interfered by the people who are with vested interest. I'm sure the police will take steps to expeditiously get at the people who are behind this.
The Cinnamon Gardens police commenced investigations into the complaint lodged by Upul Jayasuriya yesterday. However, this inquiry has been now handed over to the Colombo Crimes Division. It is being headed by the senior DIG of the Western Province. Investigations are continuing. According to the statement that was made, doubts have been cast on a motorcycle and three-wheeler. If there was such a three-wheeler, we will find out who was travelling in it through evidence and scientific investigations. As the leader of the Bar Association, Upul Jayasuriya makes clear statements about any issue. When statements have to be made against the government, he makes them. Motorbikes are now chasing him, similar to the manner in which Lasantha was murdered. The government is implementing a plan to send motorcyclists and confine such people to their homes. The entire country should condemn this. If they are attempting to murder the president of the Bar Association, the government is making a big mistake. The government should immediately issue a statement about it.